In this video, we are going to solve the problem on 3 variable K-map. In this equation, we have 3 variables. So, number of cells will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8 cells. And I have drawn here totally 8 cells. Then I have taken inputs as A, B and C. For A, B it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And for C it is 0 and 1. Now see, first term is A bar, B bar, C. So where is A bar, B bar? A bar, B bar is present at first column and C bar is present at first row. So here we have put it 1. Second term is A bar, B, C bar. A bar is present at second column. C bar is present at first row. They are meeting here. So here we have put it 1. Third term is A bar, B, C. A bar is present here. It means A bar, B. Second column and C is present at second row. They are intersecting here. I have put it 1. Then last term is A, B, C bar. A, B is present at fourth column and C bar is present at first row. They are meeting here. Now here we have filled all ones inside these cells. Now we need to form the pairs. How we will form the pairs? I will form the pair like this. Means this will be the first pair. Then this will be the second pair, right? And this one I can consider with this one, right? We can form the pair with corner ones also, right? In the K-map rules I have explained that also, means how to form the pairs or how to consider the group of that numbers. So after forming that, suppose if we consider here our first pair as 1 1. So in this first pair, how many rows are involved? 2 rows, C bar and C, but they are varying from 0 to 1, means we cannot consider any term for this row. What about this column? Only one column is included in that, right? So y is equal to, I will write here A bar B only. Why I am writing A bar B? Because in this we have only one column and which is constant, but these rows are changing from 0 to 1. This is about this first pair. Now about this second pair, how many columns are involved? These two columns, A bar, B bar, B. A bar is constant, B bar is varying. So I will write down here A bar. Why I am writing A bar? Because A bar is stable, B bar is changing from 0 to 1. Then one row is included in that, that is C bar. So I will write here C bar. Plus this one and this one, it is forming another pair. So in that we have A bar changes from A bar to A, B bar changes from B bar to B. Means we know we cannot consider here any column, but only one row is included in that, that is C bar. So I will write down only C. So this is about 3 variable K-map. Okay, hope so you understood this 3 variable K-map. In next video we will study the 4 variable K-map. Thank you.